Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make golden ratio logo design. The golden ratio logo design value is 1.618. You can divide this value when you are making golden ratio circles. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Go to ellipse tool and make a circle with it. Convert into stroke and increase stroke size. Go to transform panel and put golden ratio value in it. Then press Alt plus Enter for copy. Make 5 circles with it. Size the circles with your design. I make a design on paper first. Now make a design with circles, watch carefully. Now make a shape with Shape Builder. Convert into fill and color it. Select Star tool, choose 3 points and make triangle shape with it. Put it in the bottom of shape. Select files, then go to Pathfinder and -front. Put it on background. Make a shades with pen tool. Round the corners with direct selection tool. Put text in it. I'm using Royal King and You Murderer fonts. Link in description. Here you go and download it. Put gradient in it. Align with background. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.